The once dead customization tool by Amlogic has now been revamped by a developer over on FreeTab and XDA. This video is a brief introduction to this brand new revamped tool. So I've been doing a couple of different things with this customization tool. I've taken a Oreo firmware for S905X devices and I've modified it ever so slightly to get it working on this M96X, which also has the S905X processor inside it. Levi originally developed the S905X Oreo firmware for the Mini M8S2. It didn't work, so I had to change the device tree blob to get it working on my TV box. Very easy process, and I might cover it at a later date. As well as that, this customization tool will let you do all the usual things that you could do on customization tool before. It's just a little bit more stable, etc. As well as that, a few different features such as converting the image file into a zip file. Really useful if you're wanting to install it using TWRP. As well as that, this will allow you to pull the recovery file from image firmware and create a TWRP file which can then be booted from your TV box, where you can create, restore, backup files, etc. I'm going to be covering this a few different times over the next couple of weeks, days, etc. And we'll be looking at all the different features and showing you guys how to do certain things. But really this video was just to show you guys an introduction into this revamped version of customization tool. As well as that, the developer has also revamped USB burn tool and a few different things as well. I urge you guys to check it out. All the links will be in the description below, and you can check it out on FreeTab and XDA. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we shall see you very soon.